Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your puzzle store business. If you run a puzzle store business, then you already know how important it is to stay connected with your customers for answering their product queries, taking orders, and even recommending puzzles based on your customers' age and interest. So let's dive into my screen for creating your own WhatsApp chatbot. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for puzzle store business. Puzzle stores offer a wide range of jigsaw puzzles categorized by age, difficulty, themes, and piece counts. Customers often reach out for recommendation, gifting ideas, and order status updates, leading to high volumes of repetitive queries handled manually. So, we are going to design and deploy a WhatsApp chatbot for puzzle store that automate customer interaction, improve product discovery, support order tracking, and increase conversation, all while reducing manual customer support dependency. So, let's start creating a chatbot, but firstly I'm going to show you how exactly a chatbot works. For that, let's dive into my WhatsApp with me. Here you can see I have already opened my WhatsApp, and now I'm going to send a message to the number which I have already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account. So now let's type a message here. Here I'm going to send a message that is hello puzzle store. As soon as I'm entering the message, I'm getting a welcome message that is welcome puzzle seeker, you have entered the mystic puzzle land. Are you ready to begin your quest? And we are getting three buttons, that is start puzzle quest, quick shop, and exit adventure. Now let's click on start puzzle quest. As I'm clicking on start puzzle quest, I am getting a message which is asking me to select my challenge, that is easy and fun, medium challenge, and brain burner. Let's select easy and fun here. Once I'm selecting easy and fun, it is asking me to select a door. For that, I have to write the name of the door I want to choose. Here I have chosen door of dreams. As I'm selecting door of dreams, it is providing me a message and asking me how many puzzle pieces I can collect. Now let's select 500 to 750. As I'm selecting 500 to 750, it is providing me a message that quest is completed and it has recommended a puzzle for me. Now let's go through our another option, that is quick shop. Once I'm selecting quick shop, it is asking me to choose a category, that is bestsellers, kids collection, and brain teaser. Now let's select bestsellers here. As I'm selecting bestsellers, it is providing me a recommendation of a puzzle, and we are getting two buttons, that is buy now and not now. Let's select buy now here. After selecting buy now, it is providing me a message that my order has been placed. Now let's enroll to our another option, that is exit adventure. Once I'm selecting exit adventure, it is providing me a goodbye message. So you can see our chatbot is working properly. You can also create a chatbot like this for your puzzle store by using Pabbly Chatflow. For using Pabbly Chatflow, you have to type its URL, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Once you enter the URL, you will get the landing page of Pabbly, and here you can see you are getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, you can just click on sign up free, but as I have already an account in Pabbly, I will just click on sign in. Once you finish your sign up, you will get this all app page of Pabbly, and here you can see these are the apps provided by Pabbly. For creating a chatbot, you just need to access Pabbly Chatflow, and here we are getting two buttons, that is access now and learn more. So for accessing Pabbly Chatflow, just click on access now. After clicking on access now, you will get the dashboard page of Pabbly, and here you can see this is the WhatsApp number I have already added to my Pabbly Chatflow account. You can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on add WhatsApp number, and here you can see you are getting the option for creating your own folder. On the sidebar, you can see these are the features provided by Pabbly. The first feature we are getting is inbox. This is the section where we receive the messages from our user and we send them automated replies. Now next one we are getting is contacts. If you want to manage your contact list, you can just click here. Now another one we are getting is team queues. You can manage your team access for managing the chatbot here. Now we are getting templates. If you want to create your own templates, you can just click here and create it. Now another one we are getting is broadcast. If you want to broadcast your any messages, you can just click here. Now another one we are getting is flows. Flows are basically the path which our chatbot follows. For creating a chatbot, we need to access flow. Now another one we are getting is AI assistant. You can create your own AI assistant here. Now let's enroll to our another option, that is settings. You can manage your settings according to you here. Now the last one we are getting is get help. If you need any type of help and support, you can just click on get help. Now for creating a chatbot, you just need to access flows. For that, you just have to click on flows. After clicking on flows, you can see the flow builder page has appeared, and here you can see these are the flows created by me. For adding your own flow, you just have to click on add flow button here. After clicking on add flow, this flow page will appear in front of you, and here you can see this is the flow start node. If you want to provide a name to your flow, you can just provide provide it here. I have provided it the name, how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for puzzle store business. You can also provide the name according to you. Now moving on to flow start node, we are getting the option for entering keywords. So what are keywords? Keywords are basically the triggers which a user can enter. You can enter as many as keywords you want. Now I am going to show you how to enter a keyword. For that I am going to enter a keyword that is hello. I have entered a keyword hello here. You can enter keywords according to you. Now moving on to next, we are getting the option for entering regex. Regex is basically the short form for regular expression. It is a special pattern or sequence of character used to find, match or filter specific text. You can enter any regex here. But if you want to trigger any message, you can just enter regex like this. Now another one we are getting is the option for choose template. If you want to add template to your message, you can just select it here. Now if a user send me a message, I want to provide them a welcome message. For that, just drag and drop, and here you can see you are getting many options such as text plus button, media, list, single product message, multi-product message and template. For creating a message, you just have to click on text plus button. After clicking on text plus button, you will get this message node. Here you can enter the message you want to send to your customer. Here you can see I have entered a welcome message for my user. Now I am going to create some buttons for them. For that, I will just click on add button, and here you can see we are getting the option for entering text. You can just enter the text of your button. The first button I have created is start puzzle quest. Now I am going to create my another button. For that, I will just click on add button and enter the text of my second button, that is quick shop. Now I am going to create my third button. For that, I will just click on add button and enter the text of my third button, that is exit adventure. Here you can see I have entered a welcome message for my user and created 3 buttons for them. Now if my user select start puzzle quest, I want to provide them a message. For that, I will just drag and drop, and here I will select text plus button. Now I am going to enter a message for my user. I have entered a message for my user. Now I am going to create buttons. For that, I will just click on add button and enter the text of my button. I have created my first button, that is easy and fun. Now I am going to create my second button. For that, I will just click on add button and enter the text of my second button. I have created my second button, that is medium challenge. Now I am going to create my third button. For that, I will just click on add button and enter the text of my third button, that is brain teaser. Now if my user select any of these 3 buttons, I want to ask them a question. For that, I will just go to actions, and here you can see you are getting the option for ask question. Once you will click on ask question, you will get the question node. And now I am going to connect these 3 buttons with this question node. Now here I am going to enter the message or the question I want to send to my customer. Here I have entered a message for my user, basically asking them which type of puzzle they want. And now here you can see these are the contact custom fields created by me, and I have chosen choice as my contact custom fields. You just have to go to settings, and here you can see you are getting the option for contact custom fields. So just click here and create your fields. And now I am going to select my format as any. Now if my user answers this question, I want to ask them another question. For that, I will just go to actions, and here I am going to click on ask question. Now let's connect this question node to another question node. Now let's enter another question here. I have entered a question regarding how many puzzle pieces they can collect. Now let's select the contact custom field as choice here, and the format would be any. Now if the user answers the second question also, I want to provide them a game puzzle according to their choice. For that, I will just write a message. So just drag and drop and select text plus button here and enter the message. Here I have entered a message that quest is completed, and I have recommended a puzzle for them. Now let's enhance our flow and provide some quick shop for our customer. For that, just drag and drop and select text plus button here. Now I am going to enter a message here. Here you can see I have provided a message. Now I am going to create some buttons. For that, I will just click on add button and enter the text of my button. The first button I have created is best sellers. Now I am going to create another button. For that, I will just click on add button and enter the text of my second button. The second button I have created is kids collection. Now I am going to create my third button. For that, just click on add button and enter the text of the third button. I have created 3 buttons here, that is bestseller, kids collection and brain teasers. If my customer clicks on bestsellers, then I want to provide them some best selling puzzles. For that, I will just drag and drop and select text plus button here. I have provided a puzzle here, that is jungle buddies puzzle, if the user select on bestsellers. Now I am going to create 2 buttons. For that, I will just click on add button and enter the text of my button, that is buy now. Now I am going to create my another button, that is not now. I have created 2 buttons here, that is buy now and not now. Now if the user clicks on buy now, I want to provide them a message. For that, I will just drag and drop and select text plus button here and enter the message I I want to send to my user. Here I have entered a message for my user that their order has been placed. Now if the user clicks on not now, I want to provide them a thank you message. For that I will just drag and drop and select text plus button here and enter the message I want to send to my user. Here I have entered a thank you message for my user. You can also provide puzzles in the kids collection and brain teasers like this. Now let's enroll to our another option, that is exit adventure. If my user clicks on exit adventure, I want to provide them a message. For that I will just drag and drop and select text plus button here. If the user clicks on exit adventure, I will be providing them this goodbye message. So here you can see this is the flow we have created for our puzzle store business. You can also create a flow for creating your own chatbot for your business using Pabbly Chatflow. Now for saving the flow, you just have to click on save. Once you clicked on save, a pop-up will appear in front of you that is flow updated successfully, means you have successfully saved your flow. Now for showing you how we are receiving the messages from our user and how we are sending them the automated reply, let me take you to my inbox section. For that you just have to click on inbox here. Once you will click on inbox, this inbox section will appear in front of you, and this is the number of customer which I have connected to my account. And here you can see we are successfully receiving the messages from our customer and our automated replies are successfully sent or delivered to our customers. You can also create your own chatbot by using Pabbly Chatflow. So use Pabbly Chatflow for free now and stay tuned to our YouTube channel for creating more chatbots like this and learning more about Pabbly Chatflow. Thank you for watching this video. You can create multiple chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com, and if you have any price related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So go and create your WhatsApp chatbot for your business and try Pabbly Chatflow for free now.